What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. The weekend is about over, which is good for some, bad for others. Great for us traders because that means on Monday we're ready to attack and see what we're going to be doing. So before I start this video, I just want to say, guys, only about 22%, 23% of the people that watch these videos are actually subscribed. If you guys could, just take 2 seconds, hit that subscribe button. It means a ton to me. It really does. Like I said, it means a lot to me, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys could. If not, I totally understand, but like I said, it means a lot to me, and it'll be interested in to win some giveaways and some challenges, including the paper trading challenge, which will be announced next week. We got some big prizes on the line for that. We already got a bunch of people signed up and ready to go. But let's just jump into this video. Guys, lockdowns are coming. As you can see, Newark, Germany, England, many other places already having lockdowns, including a lot of states in America, like New York. Unfortunately, my state, we're doing lockdowns as well. So while it stinks, we can profit off this, hopefully, if things, work as the way they should. And these are why I'm picking these stocks to watch for next week. Also, before I just jump in, I want to talk about XRP, cryptocurrency. You guys know Bitcoin, XRP, all that stuff like that. It's been going on an absolute tear this week. As you guys can see, it was trading around 24 cents, got as low as like, I don't know if that's 11 cents or something, but that must have been from a while ago. Yeah, that was April. But it's been doing crazy. Like, it's literally like shot up so much. It was sitting in this range and just absolutely shot up. So I've been watching this thing a lot this weekend. I'm going to try to see if I can actually get out of it at one point. If it does hit like 75 cents, obviously we don't know if that's going to happen or not, but something to do, something to look at. Cryptocurrency, we love it. We love investing in other aspects besides stocks, but just something to do. But let's go ahead and jump into these stocks that I want to look at. So first off, being Amazon. Amazon has been lagging behind the market. I've been talking about it for a while. It's been really lagging behind the market. As you guys can see, in the past 3 months, it's done nothing but go down pretty big, actually, 6%, after being up 8% at one point. It's about a 15% off its highs, which is a lot for Amazon. So definitely be watching that. Watch Zoom as well. Zoom did have a pretty big run on Friday, so maybe some profit taking since it did go up about 15% in the past week. So really watch that one closely. Another one is Peloton. People are huge on Peloton when there's lockdowns, and as you guys can see, it absolutely zoomed, no pun intended, by the way, on Friday. So definitely watch that as well. But people are talking about these stocks. A lot of these lockdown e-commerce, pandemic type stocks, as they call them, COVID stocks. That's the name of it, COVID stocks. Etsy, DocuSign, Datadog. There's a lot of these stocks to watch out for, and you can make some plays on it. A lot of members in the group are talking about potentially shorting Zoom because it has run up a lot, 440 already. And if any news of a vaccine or anything comes out, which it has over this weekend, which I'm a little worried about Monday. People are saying that the first Americans can get it by early December, but as you guys can see, the polling numbers are not so good, with only about 58% of Americans saying they actually would take the vaccine. So, it's something to look out for. It's something to do. Definitely watch mRNA as well to see when their safety comes out for their vaccine. As you guys can see, it ran big on Friday. It seemed like everything ran big except for Amazon. Maybe I'm not a good investor after all. But it's definitely something to look out for. But cryptocurrency has really been the thing I've been looking at this weekend. I love how the crypto market's open 24/7. It's a little nerve-wracking at times, but it's interesting to watch. I was watching it a couple hours ago, and just watching this thing absolutely moon at different parts. So it's pretty interesting. It's really cool to see the way it moves and all that stuff like that, especially like in the 3-minute time. You can have some big swings. Like even look, a couple minutes ago, this thing is sitting at if we zoom in on this, sitting right up here. I can't see what that is because of the camera, pardon me. Like sitting right up here, like 48, a little over 48, and then it just comes crashing back down to 46. Like, it moves fast. It really does move fast. So interesting, a little nerve-wracking, a little scary, but that's going to be what I'm going to be watching, seeing what does that. So definitely watch QQQ as well. The NASDAQ stocks, pretending on these lockdowns, it could fly, the NASDAQ. As you guys can see, it got beat down a little bit. Apple, Amazon, the FANG stocks kind of got beat down recently. So expect a little rebound from those because the quality will rise, especially during these times. So I'm going to be watching those pretty closely. But Amazon, Zoom, Peloton, and there's actually a couple more as well that I was looking at. Potential stocks that could be good plays. One of those being Nvidia. Nvidia had earnings, very good earnings actually, and the stock somehow slid a little over 2%. So that's another one to watch. Nvidia is a great company, but I'm definitely going to be watching that, as well as its competitor AMD, watching that as well, which also slid a little bit. Google's another good stock to watch out for. Google has had a pretty good run recently. Went down a little bit then, but if you look at the past month, Google is doing really well, up 8% after being down 6%. That's a huge swing that it's had, and it is making a lot of money from YouTube. YouTube ads have been absolutely flying recently. I mean, if you notice, you go on YouTube, there's an ad every 5 minutes. Like, they're just milking the crap out of it, but they're making money from it. So us consumers absolutely hate it, but they like it because they're making a lot of money from it. So they also make a ton from their Google search engine as well. So those are some of the stocks to watch. I'm definitely going to be watching them very, very closely and seeing what really happens these next couple days. But that's really about it. My only positions right now are Amazon, Alibaba, and CVM, which we're awaiting data on still for their phase 3 results. So hopefully that'll be good and it'll 10x and we'll make a lot of money. But like I said, we have our BABA puts, which if Alibaba does start off up, we're going to close out. I think this is a little skewed. I think it's actually about 67, but I don't know what happened these last couple minutes, why it dropped so much. It might be a little spreadish. Yeah, that's why the bid and the ask were really off. So definitely going to be looking to potentially close these out for a nice 70% profit if it actually does go down to 40 cents and can stay there. Free up some margin, which we did. We got only using about 26,000. Oh, because we bought another share of Amazon right before the close. We bought another share of Amazon, so we have about 90K worth of Amazon. So little worried, but not really actually. We bought it at $3,099.66. So basically exactly what it is now, bringing our average cost of Amazon to approximately $3,135. So not down too much, $1,000. That could change quickly. The other thing that framed me, Amazon has had a really good year, but it's obviously at one point been up a lot more. So, with good earnings and a potential stock split ahead, lockdowns ahead, Black Friday, Christmas shopping, all that stuff like that, I can see Amazon really going on a nice run. So that's what I'll be looking for this week. I hope you guys have a great week. If you do, let me know about it. Let me know what plays you guys are making, and feel free to hop in the Discord and let us know down below. Guys, have a great week. I'll catch you guys next video tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. Bye.